if you have a dryer that continuously runs despite opening up the door and it's still running, most likely that just means that you have a bad door switch. And this particular model is a Kenmore / Whirlpool. The reason I say / Whirlpool is because Whirlpool owns Kenmore and Sears products. And so as you can see here, this part goes bad. Well, not this part, it's the electrical part that looks like this. This is my bad one that I just replaced and had it paid to get it replaced. And I'll put a video at the end of this to show how exactly I did it, all the unscrewing and everything. But this is it, and the only thing you have to do, and I've been told that dryers are very simple to run as far as the electrics and the everything. The only thing you have to do is first unplug it from the wall. I don't know if you can see my power adapter there. It's connected, but you want to unplug it so it does not get any power for safety reasons. You take out the lint thing here, and there's only 2 screws that's holding this top panel in. So you can either get a Phillips or a butter knife. Remove these 2 screws, and this will lift up, and right here is the wire. Too bad, is it? Yeah, it's pretty, these aren't bad at all. You can peel that off there, yeah. It's probably hard to see in here. Awesome. Let's see if it works. Perfect.
All right.
It's awesome. All right, so you see the kind gentleman switched out the door switch. This is the exact part number, and I'll put in the comments section where you can get this off of Amazon. Fairly inexpensive part. It's the labor that's the most expensive. So that's the part. It's $23, and the labor was $125. And the labor is a little bit high. Expect to pay anywhere from $60 to $130 for the labor. This is on the high end, but he did a great job. And he had to come out twice. So I'm just happy to get my dryer back. And this is the part that was replaced. So this is the broken one. All right, thank you so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe.